In this video, we'll explore the featured image meta box. Featured images are used in both pages and posts, but for this lesson, we'll be setting the featured image of a post. Featured images represents the content, mood, or theme of your post or page. So, for example, let's go to the breakfast post that I created in the earlier video. Click post, and I'll select the breakfast post. And the content says, the eggs were good, but the toast was burnt. So let's go down to the featured images box here and let's set an appropriate featured image here. Okay, I'll click upload files to grab something from my computer here, and I'll click select files to open up the dialog. And I have an appropriate image here. I'll click open. And once it uploads, I'll click set featured image. Okay, I think that's pretty appropriate. Okay, now let me explain the differences between images in your post or page content and the featured image. To do this, let me add something. I've got some text here that I've already copied out. Let me paste that in here. Okay, and you remember from the previous video, wherever I put my cursor, that's where a page image or a post image is going to be inserted at. And if you haven't seen those videos, then I highly encourage you to backtrack and watch some of those earlier videos to get you up to speed. Now, let's click the Add Media button. And let me upload a cat image. That's what my little sample text is about. So, let's see. Yeah, we've got a cat image here. Okay. So once it's uploaded, I click insert into post. Okay. Now let me hit update to save our changes. Okay. Now let me show you the differences between images in your post and your featured image. So let's go to the front of our website and I'm going to click on the blog page. Okay, now let's scroll down to the bottom. I want to show you something here. Okay, see here how our burnt toast featured image is here, but our cat image is not. Now, why is this? This is because we're seeing on this blog page, we're seeing a summary of our blog post. We're not seeing the entire post here. And that's a very standard format to allow visitors to quickly glance through all the posts that have been created without having to view the entire content, because it'd make the page incredibly long. So in this summary post, that's where we see the featured image. Now, if I click on the post title, then we'll see our featured image here at the top, and then we see our post content here. And with that, we see the cat image. So I hope this makes more sense of the differences between a featured image and post content. Post content won't be shown on post summary pages like we just seen a while ago on the blog page, but featured images will. So that's why featured images give you the summary, the mood, the theme of your post. So I hope that makes more sense to you about featured images. And there's no rule that says you have to specify a featured image, but I hope that you understand now more what it is and how it's used. So that does it for this lesson. If you need to go back and rewatch this, then feel free to do so. But if you feel like you're up to speed with what we've covered, then I'll see you in the next video.